Hello, fifth graders! Welcome to day 2 of our phonics work. Today we're focused in on prefixes. So we'll work on I can read, review, and practice the prefixes of re, pre, dis, and miss. All right, oops, I skipped over the slide here. So we'll need our My Word Study Book number 2. Right, and so as soon as you have that, you can turn to page 14. All right, so we're on page 14 of our My Word Study book, and our focus today is on prefixes. So we're going to start by underlining the prefixes of re, pre, dis, and miss, and we'll do that together here in just a second. And then we'll pronounce each word. Okay, it says with someone, but if you stay here, we'll read through the list together. Then you'll practice reading the words on your own, and then finally have someone time you for 1 minute. So I'm going to go ahead and switch my screen here to your automaticity sheet. And if you remember right, our first step is to underline the words. Okay, so the first prefix was re. Remember, re means to do again. So the first word on our list is remake. Okay, so that means to make it again. Let's see if you can find 2 other words that use the prefix of re. And then we have pre. Pre means before. Okay, so like the word right under remake is prepay. That means to pay ahead of time. So see if you can find a couple more words that use the prefix pre. The next one is dis. Dis means the opposite of. Okay, so if we look here, disagree, that means the opposite of agree is disagree. Or disrespect is the opposite of respect. So go ahead and find 2 or 3 more that start with dis. And then finally we have miss. Miss is incorrect, or you've made a mistake. So if you look at the word misspell, it means you spelled it incorrectly. Or misled, they led you in an incorrect location. Okay, so go ahead and find 2 or 3 more of those. And then we're going to read through this list together. So if you'd like to stay and hear these words once, please stay. If you're comfortable reading this list on your own, it would be okay to turn off this video now. All right, but I'm going to start in this upper left-hand corner, and I'm going to read down. Okay, start with remake and move down the column, and then I'll move over to the right, and I'll read all of the words above the gray line, and then I'll go ahead and go below the gray line. Okay, so we start with remake, prepay, disagree, misspell, pregame, misspeak, dishonest, refreeze, dislike, disturb, rebuild, pre-order, disrespect, misled, discolor, preheat, misfile, pre-work, reappear, misname, reread, preschool, disconnect, mislead, recycle, mistreat, premix, disgust, pre-wash, dismiss, rewrite, pre-cut, disable, misjudge, discomfort, distrust, misuse, pre-plan, recopy, rename, recover, pre-dawn, disappear, misread, refill, disgraced, displace, regroup, pre-sale, disconnect. We'll go below the gray line. Reunited, precaution, disagreements, misguided, mispronounce, disapprove, miscalculate, rediscovered, rewinding, resume, reconsider, prehistoric, disadvantaged, misquote, pre-trial, misdiagnose, rehearse, disobeyed, reproduce, recyclable, reappearance, pre-arrangements, disallowed, misaddress, disbelief, pre-season, mislocate, reattach, displeased, reversed, rearrange, pre-qualify, disappearance, misadjusted, mistreated, discouraged, removed, misunderstand, replenish, disturbance, reassure, pre-measure, disappointed, misadvise, recounted, revealed, reassurance, reopened, requested, recopied. All right, go ahead and practice reading these 1 or 2 times more by yourself, and then have someone time you reading for 1 minute.